So you're getting a cat. Awesome! But wait, are you seeing those price tags on cat stuff? Forget the fancy cat condos and designer toys. I'm here to tell you the 3 essentials your new furball actually needs, and they won't break the bank. First, a litter box. Any shallow plastic bin will do. Seriously. Second, food and water bowls. You probably have some old ceramic bowls in your kitchen right now. Perfect. Just make sure they're not plastic, which can cause chin acne. And third, toys. A crumpled up piece of paper or a cardboard box is basically kitty heaven. They care about your attention, not how much you spend. Your new best friend is waiting for you, not your credit card. So go on, get ready for endless purrs and head boops. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more pet tips.